Welcome, and thank you for taking the first step towards creating a safer habitat for birds. In a world filled with modern marvels, there is a hidden cost that often goes unnoticed. Imagine a world where beauty and grace in the form of our feathered friends are at risk. In the US alone, 750 million to 1 billion birds collide with windows, mistaking reflections for open skies every year. The result is heart-wrenching, but in this ever-evolving world, there's hope, a beacon of light. At Bird Divert, we've made it our mission to save the lives of these magnificent creatures. We've harnessed cutting-edge technology and a deep understanding of avian behavior to create the most effective, optically clear, anti-collision bird markers on the market. Bird Divert, endorsed by the American Bird Conservancy and the Audubon Society, represents a solution that is nearly invisible to us, yet a beacon of light for them. Our UV technology markers create a safer passage for these beautiful beings. Now, Bird Divert isn't just about saving lives, it's about preserving the wonder of nature for generations to come. It's about saving our connection to the natural world. At Bird Divert, we believe small actions can create monumental change. Our customers aren't just customers, they're part of the Bird Divert family, united by a shared love for these wonderful creatures. Now join us in our mission to protect and cherish the world we share with these birds. Together, we can make a world where the sky is a canvas of dreams, not a window of tragedy.